Hey guys, today we'll make Sanji sponge cake from One Piece. This cake is both airy and delicious, and I think it forms the base for the cake that Sanji made later on for Big Mom. I can't wait to make it, so without any further ado, let's get started. To begin with, we'll crack 4 eggs into a bowl. Then we'll measure 140 grams of sugar. Add the sugar to the eggs and mix it around. Then we'll add some water to a pan and bring it to a boil. Put the bowl with the egg mixture on it and start whisking fast. After it gets up to temperature, about 38 degrees Celsius, then we'll get an electric mixer and put it on max speed. Once it doubles in size like this, then put the mixer on low and mix it for a few more minutes. By doing this, the large and smaller bubbles will homogenize. Measure 130 grams of cake flour and add the cake flour through a sieve to the mixture. Fold it onto itself using motions of 8 like this. Then measure 20 grams of milk, 40 grams of oil, and a tablespoon of vanilla extract. Add some of the cake mixture to your liquids and mix it up. By mixing the liquids first, we create this sort of cushion effect so that the cake doesn't lose its airiness. Add it and mix it slowly and make sure to not over-mix it. Then we'll need a spring form. The parchment paper doesn't fit, so I will show you guys a small trick. Take a rectangle paper and fold it twice onto itself. Then fold it twice into triangles. Then cut off the end to fit to the diameter of the spring form. As you can see, a perfect fit. We'll then use some butter as glue for the parchment paper. I would recommend preparing the spring form in advance, so it's ready for your batter to go right in, like this. And then put it into an oven at 175 degrees Celsius for about 25 minutes and let it bake and rise until it's golden brown. Once it's done, it should look like this. Remove the parchment paper and then put it upside down on a wire rack for about 10 minutes. By doing this, the air distributes slowly and evenly throughout the whole cake. And now we'll create a buttercream for on top. We'll first start by sifting 500 grams of powdered sugar. Add 250 grams of butter to a bowl and bit by bit add the powdered sugar while mixing it. I tried doing it by hand, but a mixer just works a lot better. Once it's done, I put it back into a bowl just for aesthetic purposes so I can film this shot. And in the end, the buttercream should look something like this. Then spread the buttercream on your cake. And now for the strawberry on top. And that's it, Sanji's sponge cake. I cut off a small piece, and now for the taste test. I have to say, this was really nice. A subtle flavor, reminding me of those vanilla shortcakes. So yeah, that's it. I hope you enjoyed it, and as always, have a nice day.